Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIUS Homeschool. I'm Farhana Yasmin, Assistant Teacher of Morning Shift. Now I'm going to take computer class for class 4. Our today's topic is Chapter 7, page 70-71, reading, and we will do question number 2 today. This is lecture number 2 and homework number 2 will be given, which will be your homework for the Eid vacation. We will submit it after the vacation. Okay dear students, please look at page 70 here. We will continue doing chapter 7. Previously we did until page 69 and today we will do from page 70 and we will end page 71 as well. So we finished where we were learning how to open MS Word software. So in start menu you have to go to all programs and then click on the Microsoft Office 2007 and then on Microsoft Word 2007. Then if you click on the program, then a window like this opens. There are different parts of the window. Look at this picture. See, at the corner there is the office button. And then there are different ribbons. Okay. In the beginning there is the home tab in the ribbon. And then there are other tabs you can see. In the home tab, in this ribbon, you can see different sections. This section is, for instance, this is the font group. Then you can see another group, this is paragraph and this is style. So there are different groups in the ribbon and in the different tabs. And this is the blank screen where you can write. It looks like a white paper. So this is the MS Word 2000 screen. This is what it looks like, the window. Now let's read about the parts in detail. Here we have the office button. Click the office button to get a drop down menu containing options such as new, open, save and print. Ribbon. Ribbon is a strip of buttons and icons located above the work area. Tabs. The ribbon contains 7 tabs. Each tab has a common purpose and consists of several groups of commands. Click on a tab to select it. The appropriate groups will be displayed. Screen 2 shows the home tab where most of the editing and formatting tools are present. In the picture we saw the home tab. Next, group. Commands with common purpose are clustered together to form a group. Each tab contains several groups. You saw in the picture there were several groups like the font group, paragraph group, style group, etc. Look at the picture of screen 3. It shows the office drop down menu. If you click the office button, a drop down menu like this opens. Let's go to the next page now. Then we have the quick access toolbar. It is located at the top left of the screen. It has some common commands such as save, undo and redo. The quick access toolbar is beside the office button. Here you have common commands such as save, undo and redo. You can customize the quick access toolbar and put in other commands that you commonly use. So you can customize it. Customize means you can change it according to your own needs. It also shows document 1, Microsoft Word. This is the document you are working on and the name of the program. So document 1 is the default name from a new document. And then the name of the program Microsoft Word is written. If you rename and save the document in another name, then that name will show here in place of name. And after a hyphen, the name of the program Microsoft Word will be there. Look at the next para. On the right side and bottom are the 2 scroll bars. The 2 scroll bars are on the right side and bottom. Horizontal scroll bar and vertical scroll bar. You can see the lower part of your page that is not visible on the screen by moving the vertical scroll bar up or down. The horizontal scroll bar is used to move the document page right or left on the screen. At the bottom of the Word window is the status bar. This gives information about what you are typing. So apart from the toolbars, there are two scroll bars and we have the status bar at the bottom as well. So let's see here. If you begin typing inside the Word window, a blinking vertical bar called the cursor shows where your typed letters will appear. When you start typing in the blank page, the cursor, which is the blinking vertical bar, it appears. Remember that you can type a capital letter by pressing the alphabet key along with the shift key. So dear students, if you want to write capital letters, maybe you remember from the earlier lessons, you can press the alphabet keys along with the shift key. To give a gap between the words, press the space bar. If you want to make space, you can press the space bar. In the next class, we will continue reading about making corrections. And in today's class, we will end here and we will do the question answer next. This question answer will be your homework for the vacation. During the Eid vacation, you will do it in your homework copy properly and submit after the vacation in due time. So question number 2 is, describe the quick access toolbar in Microsoft Word. Answer. The quick access toolbar is located at the top left of the screen. It has some common commands such as save, undo and redo. You can customize the quick access toolbar and put in other commands. It also shows the title of the document and the name of the program. Let's read it again. The question is, describe the quick access toolbar in Microsoft Word. The answer is, the quick access toolbar is located at the top left of the screen. It has some common commands such as save, undo and redo. You can customize the quick access toolbar and put in other commands. It also shows the title of the document and the name of the program. This is your homework, the HW for Eid Vacation, Chapter 7, Question Answer 2. You will do it during the vacation in your homework copy and submit when the school opens in due time. Okay dear students, please study well during the vacation and do your homework properly. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.